question from the top, please.
Namaste. Namaste, sir. My name is Lekashri. I'm from Institute of Management. My question is how to learn accepting the truth, because most of the time truth is bitter and it is a hard part. So I always tend to make a few adjustments and assumptions which will make my life little easy, but I am far from the truth. So how do I start learning, accepting the truth and following the hard path and being right?
Okay. Right now there are more conclusions in this than questions. First of all, you have concluded truth is bitter. Let's understand this, what truth is. Right now, if I take this object and leave it now, it is going to go this way. Yes? Hello? Ma'am, yourself? If I leave it now, this is going to go up. That's the truth. No? Hello? No, it'll come down. Is it bitter? This is what truth means. Truth means you figured out how life works. You observed, you didn't make it up. A lie means you made it up. Truth means you observed. You paid enough attention to life that you realized this is how it works. Why will it be bitter? If you discover how it works, will life become smooth and easy or bitter? Most complex things you can do effortlessly because you know how it works. When you do not know how something works, that's when life is bitter, isn't it? So, whoever is telling you truth is bitter, they've invested too much in lies, what to do? You have a law… No, I was asking for a lawyer's opinion. So, do not make such conclusions. Truth means, see, only truth works. Please listen. Only truth works, but you cannot accept it right now. So I want you to see it this way. Observe life. What really works on all levels of life must be the truth. Huh? What really works on all levels of life must be the truth, isn't it? So please pay attention. There is no acceptance or rejection. How can you reject something that really works wonders for you? How will you reject it? I'm asking, how can you reject it? Can you? That's it. Please.